Hello all. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as we have started with the stall modeling over here, so let's continue that. So now what I'm going to create over here is I'm just going to create this posters over here. So for that I'll be taking a box over here. I can go into this front view over here and activate this auto grid option over here, and we can just push that out over here. So let's go into this view and let's make a duplicate of it. So you can make as many copies you want over here. So once you are done with this, so again duplicate this over here and let's rotate it in 90 degree over here and push this a bit over here. So we can just select this and make a copy of it. That's it. Alright, so now what I'm going to do over here is like I'll just go into this side view over here. Let's take a line over here. So select this, push this a bit inside, select this over here, rendering, enable in viewport and make it as rectangular over here. So you can just push this over here. We can increase its thickness. So select the vertices over here and let's use a bit of fillet over here. So if you want, you can definitely attach this. So you can just click over here and attach it with this, or select this and you can just attach it with this. So right now I'm not attaching it over here. So what I'll be doing is I'll be just selecting this and increasing its width a bit. So now what I'm going to do over here is like can just select this and we'll just give a random material over here for now. So you can just push it in this level over here right away. So now we need to create this. For that, what we'll be doing over here is like I'll be just pushing it a bit out, this part, and this a bit over here. Let's take a box from the top view. Let's take a box over here. So after taking a box, let's increase its height over here convert to editable poly, select this, push it a bit inside and take a swift loop and just extrude it. Alright, so once you're done, or even you can just select this, just save your files over here. So now what we'll be doing over here is like, we need to create this also. For that, let's go into this line and let's take a splines and let's take a rectangle over here. Let's just draw a rectangle. Just take a rectangle. Just draw a rectangle a bit. And go into this, convert to editable spline, go into the vertices, and you have an option over here called fillet. So let's use a bit of fillet over here. Give a modifier called extrude. Give a modifier called extrude. So just increase this amount for this extrude over here. Go into the vertices, just push this up, push it down over here. Much better. You can keep it in this way, or you can just push it a bit inside over here. So let's take again a cylinder over here. Go into this. Let's take a cylinder and let's put this. Just duplicate this. That's it. Alright. So we also need this lights definitely over here. So let's just duplicate this over here also. Over here. Can just scale a bit, push this up. So let's duplicate this lights over here. That's it. Alright. That's it. So let's just save the file over here. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.